Hey everyone, available 24/7 366 2.0 here, and today I'm going to be talking about why I stopped playing Gardening Mama. Now, the first reason is because I personally just, got to a point where I decided to stop playing the game after I've played it so many times, and for the amount of times that I did play Gardening Mama for, I was really far in the game, and I think I did really good in the game too. And basically, what Gardening Mama is all about, the first very original version of ever of a Gardening Mama, of what it's all about is you basically garden plants, and you can choose different colors that you want your flowers to be like. The whole game is really cool for Gardening Mama. It's a really awesome game, and it's a really really fun game too. But yeah, so that one is the first reason. The second reason is because you know for certain games, you don't always grow out of certain things, but you just get to that point where you've played a game so many times, you don't really feel like playing it anymore because you know what it's about. So, you know, um, that's one of the other reasons why. Um, but now I just wanted to talk about um, more of what you can do in Gardening Mama. You can basically, you can give, her avatar, outfits, and you can customize your own garden, and um there's even different like parts of like doing gardening. Like you can like help plant fruits and veggies, I think, in the game too. That's really really awesome as well. But yeah, that one is the second reason. The third reason is because I personally just felt like not playing this game anymore. As for the other, vids that I've mentioned about stop playing games, um, for like Nintendo DS, I've just decided, to just not really play, you know, a certain game anymore, especially if I've played it so many times and I know what its plot is all about, and I know how, the game, I know how you can beat the game. So and you just want to do different things each time. You don't want to do repetitive things, you know. Um, but yeah, so um, that one's the third reason, I think. Now the fourth and final reason for this video is because um I just personally, I got far in the game lots of times, but then there have been times that I just felt like, I don't want to exhaust myself by, accomplishing things that, I've already accomplished so many times, that it's just like I don't want to exhaust myself. And it's also just like, video games are not life. Video games are just, they're video games, and they can be very entertaining, but they're not like life. Like, they're not like life, you know? Like, yourself is so much more than just yourself playing, video games or whatever it is that you do indoors. Like, your life is just so much more than, than yourself being indoors, you know? So yeah. Um and and I also just think, it's good to, have the realization that, if you played a game so many times that, you know, it's just a good thing to not really play that game anymore when you've played that, you know, when you played that game so many times, whatever game that might be, and whatever type of genre of game that might be also, as well. So yeah, that one is the fourth and final reason for this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will be uploading more new videos eventually on my second YouTube channel of mine here, so be sure to check out the new videos when I do upload them here on my second YouTube channel here, when all of you have the time to do so. So yeah. Stay awesome, stay amazing. Take care, everyone. Bye.